Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's about some minutes to maybe about 12:30 or so, but coming not feeling so tired, but I like to cook, so just making some pancake here. In this mixture I have about 150 gram of flour, teaspoon baking powder, vanilla, salt, teaspoon sugar, and about 75 ml milk, and just a teaspoon of butter. Just melt the butter, combine everything together, and get your pan ready, and then start cooking. So I'm making some nice fluffy pancake here. I'm gonna get my plate ready to put that on. Let's check the bottom of it. Nearly there. Normally when you feel them and they bounce back up, you know they're ready. You see that? Just bouncing right back up. Take this one out. Put him there. Take this one out. Stockpile them. Turn the gas down a bit. Normally I use a scoop, so I just put one of this small scoop here in. Don't really want them stuck together. I normally just leave them in the pan, let them raise up a bit, so they just rise in, similar like, baking a cake, and it just rise up. now. I'll split them apart. I'm gonna use a different device. When you're a chef, you have to make sure you have all sorts of tools ready. Turn them down a bit. So it's nice and fluffy also. Take them off. Keep piling them up until this is what I do sometime when everybody's sleeping. I'm only one awake. But this relaxes me in a different way. Turn the gas up a bit on this one. Look at this. Nice and fluffy pancake. Doesn't get any better than this. Wow. Look at that. There it is. Put on top of this. Next one on top. Gas off. I love cherries, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick a cherry on top. It's all about presentation also. Let's have a look at this. Look at that. Just balance him up a bit. How about drizzling some honey over it? Look at that. Doesn't get any better than this. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Peace be unto you all.